Hi everyone, Ainsworth Edmond here, and welcome again to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you how to use FutureNet Power App. This app was just launched yesterday, the 10th, officially launched. And you will notice when I get into the video that you will realize that I've been using this for some time now. But the official launch was yesterday, July the 10th. Now, this app is um, an all-in-one app in terms of where your education and build your business, how to build your business, and how to become a better network marketer, how to become successful not only just in network marketing, but in life in general. How to become the best version of yourself, and that's what the purpose of FutureNet Online Academy and the Power App. All right, so let's get to it. It's simple. If you have a iPhone, you go to uh, the iStore, whatever, for the iPhone. For those persons using Android, you go to Play Store and you type in Power App. As you know, as you say, I am already there. So it's a FutureNet Power App. This is how it looks. I have it installed. Uh, right. From there, after you have it logged, download, you're going to use your username that you have already for your FutureNet account and your password from your FutureNet account. So when you're logged in, you will see a screen looking like this. All right. So the first video you see here, you have guest and premium videos. Right. So as a guest, right, or even a person who has purchased a subscription, these videos as are used to share the FutureNet business. So there's a 2-minute video here that speaks about what FutureNet is, what the Power App is, and how we are going to use that to build our business. Right? Then there is the second video which explains more about FutureNet. What the FutureNet's platform is all about. Then there's a third video which is a little longer, explain more about FutureNet. And the fourth video is done by our ambassador of education, Mr. John Sartorius. All right, I hope I did not butcher his name too much. All right. My internet is not that the fastest, so you have to bear with me when I press on these things. Now, it is easy to share, and you will get a template of text message. A lot of us are, what I said, no, not used to sharing our business because we are afraid of someone rejecting us and saying, "Oh, I don't want to be a part of it." And what with the FutureNet system does, it allows us to simply share what we have found, and it gives us quick template. Look what I've found on internet. Please watch this video. Have you heard about smartphone marketing? You click that and click next, and it gives you different options on where most of us has WhatsApp, so that you can go to WhatsApp and go through your WhatsApp and select someone to send it to. All right. So I'm going to just select and send. So this is what it will look like. All right. So that is how simple it is. The person, whenever they click on the link, it will take them to the video, and they watch this 2-minute video that explain what FutureNet is. Now the premium videos is what gets me excited, right? As you see that I am at day 10. So each day you will receive, so each day you get one video explaining, teaching you a little bit more about network marketing, a little bit more about the company, a little bit more how to become successful, and all different things. So day one, number one, you have FutureNet e-learning, how to explain FutureNet business, decision to succeed, how to build a social network, art of prospecting, how is the FutureNet different from others, how to visualize, how to face no, the advantage of network marketing, how to get new business partners. So these are some of the type of topics that each day you will receive. Now, these videos are, for the most part, less than 4 to 10 minutes of quality information that will help you grow yourself on a day-to-day basis. So FutureNet Power App is definitely in my estimation a great app. Now I just click on premium offers, right? Oh, let me get back there. Let me show you something also. This video it explains why the Power App is such a powerful tool, and how by daily listening to this video you can get yourself in the mindset for success and also build your business. It's a FutureNet app gives you the access to high quality and valuable multimedia content. Often includes different from personal development content to first class life changing educator materials and relevant news to stay up to date. The app is a powerful tool for you and all your affiliates to share the mission and values and spread the word around the world. So this video, this app, the Power App, it's a must get for all FutureNet members. For every single member, please download the FutureNet Power App, because it will be very valuable in helping to build your business and making FutureNet a success, and also you yourself a success in whatever you do. Now, there's no news, so there is a news section here. This will give you updates. As I said, it was on launch yesterday, so whatever new news, whatever new the company wants to reach out to you will be shared there, and the feedback you can tell, speak about what is not working or what would you like to see happening to the Power App. So it's a great tool to have. I'm pretty excited about the potential of this app, because when I look at the guest portion, in terms of if every one of us are sending out these simple messages, we can create a very big team. So that is it for today. If you like my content, if you are a part of FutureNet but yet not have yet not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is all about learning and earning. Everything that I'm learning and I'm using that knowledge to earn a full-time living online, I'm sharing it with my community. So please subscribe, hit the notification bell that whenever I put out new videos, you'll be first to see it. Also, share this with your team. If you are a part of FutureNet and you're not a part of my team, still share it with your team that they can know that there is this powerful app that will be very helpful in developing their own business.